in genocide. You are complicit in genocide of the Palestinian people. You are complicit. Come on, Eddie. Eddie, help us. Eddie, help us save them. Come on, Eddie. The Israeli terrorists are committing a genocide, and the U.S. Congress and Senate are complicit in funding the bombs that are forcing children to be slaughtered and massacred. Shame on this government. The United States of America is complicit in genocide. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. They are massacring children.
If they'll arrest veterans, they'll arrest you.
Stop the bombs!